precision after speaking and writing. Podcasting is a term that was devised as a way to describe the technology used to push audio content from website down to consumers of that content. Podcasting offers language teacher and student with a range of possibilities for extra listening practice, but inside and outside the classroom. Moreover, podcast enables students to practice listening in a self-directed manner and their own pace. Listening skill in language teaching have been neglected and slipped to a secondary position after speaking, writing, and then this study described into learners' perception of online listening to podcasts, self-evaluation of their own performance in individual listening practice, and reflection on ways of improving listening skill. The findings give insight into a practice of developing listening competence. Audio recording is designed to be downloaded and listened to on a portable MP3 player and of any type or on a personal computer. Listening to audio is nothing new to the internet. Audio files available for downloading and other means of online. And then the purposes of this study is the first to examine the challenges that students face in listening to various authentic English podcasts, and to analyze learner self-assessment data on various ways of improving listening skill. And the last, to formulate the tips for good practice in practicing listening skill. Podcasts are part of innovative learning and can serve a number of purposes to enhance the range and the register of English language listening, provide material available their students. And then to use in variety of ways to try to increase connectivity between different elements. And then to increase the scope for discussion and activity. Okay? The benefit. The first one, learners can benefit from global listening even if they only listen from 3 to 5 a day. And the secondary student will be exposed to the new language. And the last, the intermediate learners has a need for authentic text and to be exposed to a variety of ways. Okay, next. Conclusion. The conclusion of this study. The first, individual online listening to podcast at one's own pace and convenient to from and motivates learners to improve skill of listening without being intermediate by possible failure. And the second, raising learners aware of suitable individual ways of perfecting the listening skill, promote language learning. And the third, the diversity of outclass listening motivates learners to perfect their without being observed by peers or teacher. The fourth, harmonizing online listening with classroom audition activities in teaching or learning English should benefit our learners. And the fifth, learners become aware that listening skill can be improved through a lot of practice of their own choice. And finally, self-assessing one's achievement and publishing a self-evaluation report and individual backlog encourage learners to keep improving. Okay, my friend, I think that's all about my article. Thank you for your attention and good afternoon.
Good afternoon.